So now our people end up for inside Bamenda, where they march, they don't stand up for sure say when they kill one picking, now all for one, one for all. So now our mommy and dad, our mothers, our sisters, our aunties, they don't come up outside for cry for the war. Where is their sons that have been arrested, picked up from their house by the Cameroon terrorist military, the Turks, the Bully Betty mercenaries that have been brought across the globe, organized by France? We have seen soldiers from Congo, we have seen soldiers from Chad brought into our territory to kill our people. Our mothers are crying to the war, to the international community, and their voice should matter. They are asking them, where is our children? Hundreds and thousands of Southern Cameroon youth have been picked up in what we call Calais Calais, where the Cameroon military will go into neighborhood, randomly select adult male that are big, that are perceived to be possible people who can fight. They will arrest them and disappear them. We have seen them gather prisoners and eliminate them. Our people are crying to the international community, to the whole world, to come and fight for their justice, for accountability for their people. We are looking for where our mother, we are looking for. So now our people then that
today is 19 Tuesday.
On Tuesday, all across our national territory, our mammy them, they don't rise up for cry the killing of baby Caroline, an innocent girl where mommy carry for go drop it for school. They go for go drop it for school. Cameroon military follow them, stop motor, he see them inside motor, he move gun, he shoot and kill them. The death for baby Caroline, he don't wake up all week for the reality. Say these people them, they hate us for being able to speak out. And we don't see say plenty people then write then talk. We see say the bishop for Archbishop of Bamenda, Archbishop Carl Andrew, he write a very strong letter for talks in La Republic then key this speaking. But in that letter, the Catholic Church, where Christopher Fominyon, he appeal, say me the Catholic Church is joint initiative for bring negotiation. They overuse Connie, and they never get a good reputation for this our revolution. Right from the time of Cardinal Tumi, where he come to make outright lie about the Amber Boys being foreigners fighting to distort the image of what is happening. Cardinal Tumi, who gave us a very powerful tool that have established what our people want in his poll that was carried out in his AGC. That shows that over 96% of our people want independence. They are going out of the questionnaire to demand for outright independence and separation. Cardinal Tumi did not speak for the justice of those people, for them to have what they want, but he went and sided with La Republic. The Catholic Church could have said that Cardinal Tumi was operating as an NGO, but no, the Catholic Church offer its facilities, its personnel to be used not just by politicians in La Republic, but to be used by the Cameroon military. They use their connection to reach out to our forces on the ground, to disarm them and convince them to fight for what they have established as being what our people want over 96%. The Catholic has not acted in good faith, and they should know that we know. And our people should be aware of this Connie. When they keep on saying, our people want just to live in peace, they just want peace. It's a denier. When you say the people want peace, it's a denier of what our people really want. They don't just want peace. They don't want peace of the graveyard. They want justice. They want freedom. They want to be independent. Your questionnaire have said it, you have the information. So, when the Catholic Church officials, they say our people just want peace, it's a complete disrespect of the intellect of our people. It's a complete disregard of what the people want, which is independence and separation. They don't just want to go back as life as normal. That's why even after justice was done to the gendarme that pulled the trigger against Baby Caroline, the people still continue to march and say, home, again, again. Home, when shall I see my home? The home they are talking about is Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia. When shall they be in a country of their own, where they can govern themselves and protect their own son? When their sons and daughters can be president, can be head of parliament, can manage their law, can mount police posts, can carry out investigation and deliver justice for their people, where they can live with freedom of expression, where their history is not banned and criminalized. The Catholic Church should not be speaking the language of the oppressor, because the Bible clearly says that Christ came for the oppressed, for the downtrodden, for people like the people of Southern Cameroon. And the church should speak the truth about what this war is all about, for them to even begin confident building measure. But as it stands, the governing council would frown of any initiative that is led by the Catholic Church directly. We have said clearly that to resolve this matter, we need an internationally based negotiation with multiple countries involved, with the backing of the United Nations, so that it will be fair for our people, because the enemy we face is bigger than the ones we see on our streets pulling the triggers. Our people, they don't come out, rise up for protests, and they demand one thing will be very important. They sing the song home again, again, as they be the singer for Boya. When shall I see my home? The people, they ask for freedom. When shall we see Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia free from foreign occupation, from the gendarmes and the Bulu Beti mercenaries who have no mercy, who have no rule, that goes around killing our people, burning down our village? They want home, free home. They want an independent Ambazonia. So we'll be very happy say that on the Tuesday, the event will go on successfully. We will get a lot of pressure for people the way the Buwame will declare lockdown, who completely reject them. We will know say the priest, that will be yesterday the one bury the Pekin, Baby Caroline, will be try for protest, for talk for them, say this. So me them wait some more. Me people then get their heart ready, me then talk the story for the Pekin, then me then take one day for burial. We as a country, we go first stand, mourn the Pekin, and show the international community say La Republique de commit genocide. But they be informed say the priest, the bishop will become consider that sin. If you don't talk, say they go choose Tuesday as a day for national mourning, where they go make mass for honor that Pekin. They'll make mass for that, they'll celebrate mass for Baby Caroline, since na Catholic, and another day where all man to fit do his own thing that same day. So we'll not be go jump for social media, because we don't get that information early on. For talk say Tuesday na lockdown. Because this struggle no be about control of our people. If we take control for certain things na on behalf of our people and for our people, no be on behalf of the ADF. The ADF na just a vehicle and the governing council. But we don't see some woman come out on a video say the Alliance of Southern Cameroon. They call it now Mr. Ndoki also on whatever the name. Say that they declare lockdown on Tuesday. We're not supposed to give extra unnecessary hardship for our people when they go through this type of trauma. We need to leave people, they meet them, organize themselves sometime. Leadership no mean I say you control all things. As the people that they march, Bo Herbert, now Twitter this way, Bo Herbert, he make up. He write down for they say, the people them, they aren't here. Our people hits called by Team Ambazonia. For people that were ground zero, I don't know. Team Ambazonia, now the group for Ambazonia movement them, the groups the way they don't go for that Switzerland talk with HD. That means say you get the IG of Sako Ikome, you get Bo Herbert, and you get Ebenezer Akwanga, their group. Now they live for that Swiss talk. So they talk now them talk me people then come up for protest. Now why that way they protest. And in that tweet, then take na video for Bamenda, now my aid that so for Bamenda for Mancon. But they don't know self say na my aid that. Then take them for talk say because them now they don't talk me people then come up protest because they don't want show say that them be in control for ground. But Bo Herbert it talks say they are call for Team Ambazonia. But you don't even know the place of the woman and they mean say you don't even know that woman them. You just see video them for social media. Now opportunities them they go take them for start manipulate our people for mislead them. This woman them stand up now by themselves We don't send message for ground zero, inform people them. Say that Tuesday where it comes so Tuesday number 19. Now how would you do? Maybe when I come out try say we then encourage people them to pass the message. No be say we talk say now we dey organize anything. No. We need to be very honest, my people then. We need to be honest with ourselves. Why are these people always doing this thing? Always lying, always taking opportunity. It's too much. Bo Herbert, we respect him. He's a very intelligent man. But when you see people who don't have any dignity, who are willing to lie, claim things where they did not plant, then we begin to lose respect for them and we start to limit the way we can trust people like this. Because for goodness sake, if you can lie about simple things like this, what can you lie again about? If you want to take advantage of simple things like this, what will you not take advantage of? So nevertheless, maybe we focus for the positive side and congratulate our people them as they ran the hit call. It can be a very tough job for me, Capo Daniel, and Lucas Asu, Vela Franklin, and all of our support teams them. Mama Deborah, Wali on the Move, Pascal Kiki, and many of our allies them, including Silas Azefo, I will include even not Mark Barata to a lesser extent. He's a good guy, though. We don't spend the past 2 years for educate our people for the need for them for be bold, for overcome their fear and protest.